up. I'm gonna get right into it because I gotta dazzle up one of these cards here. Look at this one. This is the one I'm gonna be working on tonight. I think on this one, we're gonna be using the shimmer crystal. Let me use this. So yeah, you just take your glue and you just put little dots on there. I'm just putting my dots here on my little stars that are here. And then I'm using my little wax tip, and let me show you. So you're just dotting those right on there. Just like that. That part right there. Look at that shine. So this one is the shimmer. It looks kind of iridescent. It's really cute. All right, so I'm going to go here. This little truck. Okay. And we got this little truck going now. Okay, so I'm going to get another color out. Yes, I'm going to use the This is the ruby. I'm going to use the ruby on here. I'm going to put these. Yes, I'll do it this way. Okay, here's our red right in there. How cute is that? That is so cute. This is so much fun. Well, let me get all the red done. Let me get the red. I was going to finish that, but let me get all the red done since I have it out. Okay, so we finished that. So I'm going to be using, I think you can see the bling there. I'm going to be using these. Now these are just the clear. Okay. So I'm going to go over here on the blue, and I'm using just the regular crystal. On the blue. All right, so we have, I think I'm going to go over these, maybe. Okay, so we got some shimmer going on there. Or some sparkle rather. All right, so we got our truck getting all dazzled up. One just a little off, but here is our little truck. It's getting dazzled up, y'all. Okay, go around the tires. I use the bigger ones. We have our little tires all blinged out, and our little looks like fireworks. Looks like fireworks. Okay, so in the middle, I think I'm going to do some sapphire. Let's do these. And those are going to be tiny, but I'm going to see if I can put some in the middle here. Okay, that's our little blinged out tire right there. That didn't take long. Okay, so I'm going to do the same over here. Okay, y'all. How cute are those tires? Those are cute. Cute, cute, cute. Now you can do whatever. You can put as much as you want, as little as you want, whatever. But yeah, you can, there's our little truck there. Okay, so this card, I love this card. This was one of my favorites when I saw it. Just thank you, and then the tags there, the dog tags. So I'm going to put this cross right here. I'm just going to add that to it. I think I'm going to put a little hot glue on it. Oops. Just right there. But there you go. And that's that light sapphire, I believe is what it's called, or the, let's see, what is it called? Yes, the light sapphire right in there in that dog tag. So there you go. That is
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.